Oh, hi. I'd have to go...
Ah.
Dogs.
Oh god, that's so
Cats.
hard.
Dogs.
Cats. I'm a dog in the zodiac, but I like cats better.
Dogs, because I got 3 dogs.
Cats. Low maintenance. Just the personality is much more cooler.
Dogs, because they're more cuddly. They're fluffy. Oh, cats fluffy too.
I picked dogs because they love me. I don't have a girlfriend, so I need the companionship of an animal. You may call me a furry. That's true, because I love dogs. No, don't use that, don't use that.
Dog, because I like dogs. I used to be a dog person, but then I found a stray cat, and now I have a cat, and now I absolutely love cats. So when I'm 40 years old, I'll have 40 cats and no husband.
Dog. Of course, dog. I don't like cats. I have puppy. I love my puppy. Cats. I love dogs. They're beautiful, but I just can't handle like. Me, look at me. Where are you going? What's that? What's happening? Like, are you gonna leave me? Yeah, I don't know. I would prefer a cat. Individual.
Dogs.
Cats.
Dogs.
A rabbit and a goat. My parents don't allow me pets, so I wouldn't know. Dogs, they love you.
Cats, I'll say dogs. Because I have one. Cats is more silly. More what? Silly. I'll gladly say dogs! Dogs are the best! I hate cats. They scratch you. Dogs are so nice. Dogs. Cats. No, I'm kidding. I just wanted to be dogs.
Dogs, they're more loyal and they're not a bitch.
Dogs. Cats. Just don't do cats. If you're a cat person, you can't be my friend. Cats. All you gotta do is leave food there for them. Most of the time they come back. Hopefully not pregnant though. That's a long story, that one.
Dogs. Always dogs. What do you mean, man?
I like both, but I'm pretty sure I'm a cat person.
None. I'm the first person that said none, right? I'm just not an animal person.
Dogs. I have a dog, French poodle. The best.
A dog, because I hate it.
Cat dog.
Cat dog.
This is the reason.
Apple. I've never used an Android. I'm kind of judgmental, but I just know how to use an Apple.
Android. 2 of them. I've got PlayStations on here.